Hi, I'm Jeffrey from Minnesota.
Hi, I'm Francis from Mississippi.
Have you ever been attacked by a Ratchet?
Many times, sir, many times.
You know what you need?
What do I need? Bing! Ratchet spray.
A Ratchet spray, sir. That is what you need. Just finally kill the Ratchets from the bottom all the way to the top.
From dirty Ratchets to Ratchet.
Yes, sir.
That's awesome.
With one simple spray, Ratchets are gone.
No way.
Way.
Dude. Can we go swag bags too?
Sure can.
Sweet.
Sweet. Let's go find us some Ratchets.
Super. Ratchet. Wait, Kaya, get down. Get down.
Little Ratchet.
Oh, wait, is Ratchet?
Ratchet!
What, man? It's angry! It's angry! It's a Ratchet! It's a Ratchet! It's a Ratchet! It appears to be my captain has been caught by the Ratchet. Oh my god. We gotta go save him. Oh shit. There's the Ratchet now. I'm gonna get a closer look. I see where's some life. Where's some life? Oh shit!
Get the Ratchet spray!
Ratchet spray! I need to get the Ratchet! As you can see, he's battling the Ratchet! As you can see, there's a butt crack! There's a butt crack and the Ratchet! I'm gonna get the Ratchet spray! Where's the Ratchet? Ratchet spray! Ratchet spray! Ratchet spray! Ratchet spray! Ratchet spray!
Ratchet retreat!
Ratchet spray! Ratchet spray! Sawyer! We gotta get out of here! Let's get out of here! Sawyer! Where's the Ratchet? The Ratchet gone. Sawyer! Big time! Ratchet!